welcome to another vlog. In today's video, hapon na, ako ay kakauwi lang. So, hindi ako nag-vlog kanina kasama aking good friend na si Jerthy. So, Jerthy, if you're watching this vlog right now, thank you very much for your goodies from Hawaii. So, maraming salamat sa sa mga tao na na-meet ko today. I'm so grateful and blessed. Alam mo, i-karat na lang natin sa table. Tsaka meron siyang Jollibee na inuwi for me and a hubby. So, sobrang salamat, girl. Thank you so much. Ang dami naming snacks. Tapos meron pa kaming cheeseburger from Jollibee. Hello, Gorge. Welcome to another vlog. So, in today's vlog, nasa work ako. So, it's a Sunday. It's April 27th. So, I just had to meet with someone. Kaya, andito ako sa work. And, yep, I'm working for a little bit. But then, we'll go grocery shopping. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna go to the store by myself or susundayin ako ng asawa ko after his work at in the next couple of minutes, and then we'll just run to the store. Kasi medyo, I don't know if you can, kasi medyo mamalat ako. But yeah, I got some goodies from Hawaii. Thank you very much po sa nagbigay. Tapos, kagabi binigyan din ako ni Jerthy ng goodies. Ipakita ko lang sa clip. So, thank you so much. And yep, I just wanted to vlog. I have some stuff that I need to buy at the grocery kasi maraming bilhin si hubby. Yes, grocery shopping again. But yeah, I'll catch up with you later. I hope the weather is good kasi kanina medyo makulimlim. So sabi uulan, pero it's been on and off dito sa Anchorage, Alaska. But yeah, I'll catch up with you later. Gorge, I'm with hubby. He actually just picked me up from work. So, mukhang hindi na ako mag-vlog sa store. Balik dating gawi tayo na sa bahay na lang ako mag-haul kasi we're going to a different store midtown and medyo hindi ako comfortable mag-vlog sa area na to. Eh, nagmamadali kami. So, syempre pagod ang asawa ko, mga max lang is 30 minutes lang ako sa store or less kung pwede. Basta kukunin ko yung kailangan kunin and then I'll head out. But I'll definitely show you kung ano yung kukunin ko sa store today. So, I'll just see you when we get home. Hey Gorge! We are back home. So, ngayon gamit ko muna yung phone camera ko kasi yung aking Insta360 ay nag-glow back. Tsaka ano ba tawag dito? Gagamitin ko na siya for, I feel like I'm just gonna use this for parang outdoors kasi mas maganda yung lighting. Pero for now, I'll just use my camera. So let me do a quick haul para maayos ko na to, malagay ko na sa fridge, and para makapag-prepare na rin ako ng food. Gorge, I bought eggs. Lahat ng nasa list, thank God, lahat nabili namin. Kasi madalas yung mga dagdag pa ako. So, medyo mahal yung eggs sa $9. Mas mura sa Costco pa rin, pero hindi na ako punta ng Costco dahil nga mas malayo-layo, plus matatemplan tayong bumili ng things that we actually don't need. So, ayan, eggs. Pero last time, alam niyo, nag 2 for 1 yung 1 dozen. So, let's proceed to the next one. I found this, Love's Ube Rolls. Hindi ko alam kung sa ibang state meron din ito. I would assume meron sa ibang state nito. Made in Portland, Oregon. Pero I think it's let's see. Love's. Oh, it's really nice. Kasi, siya. Siguro yung may-ari nito is from Hawaii. So, all the profits go to Hawaii Islands. And Love's Ube Rolls. I got salad kit na may croutons na. So, hindi na ako bumili ng extra croutons. So, meron pa naman kami. Pero, I like this kasi almost $6 lang siya. And then, this is like what do you call this? $5.99. Tapos yun yung mismong price na walang tax dito sa Alaska groceries or sa Anchorage. I'm just not sure if sa ibang city sa Alaska may tax. Pero sa groceries, yung mga binibili nyo sa store, siya, tax-free. We got milk right here. I got some berries, strawberries for our granola, and then raspberries, and of course, baby tomatoes. We got some yogurt here. Bumili akong 2 dulce de leche kasi matagal ko na itong di nakakain. And then, 2 mango, which is actually our favorite. This is perfect with avocados. I got this grilled chicken breast dices for the salad. So, hindi ko naman alam nung una naman na pala bibiling ganito. Meron din silang bigger version, pero ito na lang for the salad. Kasi gusto ni Habi na may, of course, protein. And then, pork chop. And then, of course, another pack of large shrimp. Pag nagsisale, nag-stock talaga ako. This is, $1.79 lang. Almost $2 lang. I'm not sure if this is good. Medyo paubos na siya doon. Siguro dahil mura. Pero, this is pulp-free. This is just a concentrate. So, it's not sugar-free. Pero gagawin namin as always. We'll just, add more water to it para hindi sobrang tamis, diba? We have feta cheese for the salad. And then, I also got raspberry vinaigrette. Ayan, isa lang binili ko. Bibili ko sana yung Skinny Girl, sugar-free. Kaya lang sabi ko baka hindi mo magustuhan, hindi maubos. So, one muna. Pag ito good, which is light lang naman siya, less sugar, yun na lang ang bibili namin from now on. Sunflower seeds. Yan ang gusto ng asawa ko, sunflower seeds. Non-food tayo. Palinis ng bahay, ng mga sulok-sulok, pwede rin sa banyo. So, para siyang version ng Fabuloso, pero this is cheaper than that one. It's the same product, same quality, pero cheaper version lang because it's a different brand. I got 3 pieces of Macara's food na Temptations. Lagay natin somewhere. Oops, ito pala. Mila ko ng tea. Fruity sampler and of course, Jamin lemon ginger tea. Nagharap ako nung may turmeric pero wala akong makita. So, baka ubos na nga. And then, honey for the tea. I got another panty liner. And then last but not the least is Epsom salt. Para kay Habi. Tsaka para sa akin, Dr. Teals. Ayan. Para kapag siya, nakarelax niya and meron siyang pang soak ng feet. So, parang ito yung gusto kong bilhin na brand na hindi lang sa Walmart kasi parang mas matapang to. So, this one na lang siguro. But, let me share with you how much is our total for today's vlog or grocery shopping. Anyway, the only thing that I didn't get myself is, yung water. Meron pa kami water sa baba, parang 4 packs or 5 packs. Pero I'll just get more next week. Umuulan kasi parang nakakatama talaga magstay sa labas. So, the total amount is $112.90, which is not bad. Got everything we need. Yeah. So, I know hindi ko kayo naisama sa store, pero I will try again next time. Kasi, depende talaga sa store na binibilhan ko at depende rin kung nagmamadali ako or hindi. So, pag ako lang mag-isa, hindi ako nagmamadali. Pero, syempre, ang husband ko galing sa work. So, medyo pagod siya. Kaya, hindi na ako nag-vlog sa loob kasi mas matatagalan ako kapag pinakita sa inyo yung mga nakikita ko, diba? So, yep, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!